are hub-centric wheel spacers built on Porsche Cayenne.
Hub-centric wheel spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Compared with an ordinary hub-centric, BONOSS uses a multi-stage hub-centric design, which means that the multi-stage hub-centric can make the spacers more closely fitted to the wheel hub, greatly reduce the vibration of high speed caused by the inaccurate hub-centric. BONOSS wheel spacers with a special hub-centric design for Porsche, make it fit the hub and the wheel better.
The hub-centric ring are machined with several holes. Each hole is specially made to fit the Porsche Cayenne 3 fingers or 5 fingers plus design. The industry recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy, usually 2 types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than cast-wise, meaning in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged wheel spacers effectively reduces the weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability.
Besides, they can also be used to change the center ball of your car, making it possible to install wheels with different center balls to your vehicle properly, transforming lug-centric wheels into hub-centric wheels.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get it, BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.